Toastmaster Rajat Anand, before inviting Toastmaster Rajat Anand, I will like to call on stage Toastmaster Swasti Mehta to give us objective about Toastmaster Rajat's speech.
Thank you, Monish. Toastmaster Rajit today is delivering his Level 4 Project 1 speech from Strategic Relationship Pathways. The objective of his speech today is to apply his skills in a volunteer organization and share with us a particular experience, an aspect of his experience leading in that volunteer organization. Timer, please note that the time limit for the speech is 5 to 7 minutes. And all the very best to you, Rajit. I also couldn't help but notice that the objective of his speech is in keeping with the theme of the meeting, which is leadership. And albeit it is in a volunteer organization that Rajit is going to share an experience of. So all the very best to you, Rajit. And over to you, Munish.
Thank you, Swasti, to describe the objective of the speech. You also mentioned the speech title as well. As far as the Rajat is concerned, Rajat is the most passionate Toastmaster of POTM, part of POTM's EC community, and we are today talking about leadership roles. So he is currently serving as the VPPR of the club. Earlier, present the treasurer of the club as well. So he is the perfect candidate to describe the leadership role. And as we all know that today we all are meeting on the virtual platform, so a very right kind of topic taken by Toshmaster Rajat Anand for the same. So the topic taken by Rajat Anand is virtual leadership in Toastmasters. So I will like to call on stage Toastmaster Rajat, virtual meetings, Toastmaster Rajat.
I have really enjoyed my time here in Pro Orators Toastmasters Club. I joined back in 2020 and have taken 3 leadership roles here. I have taken Sergeant at Arm roles, I have taken Treasurer role, and now I am serving as a VP PR. I thought the journey will be smooth, but to my dismay, there are many difficulties and EC leader face while handling the activities. There are many similarities that one can found in professional pursuits and a volunteer leadership role. And there are some dissimilarities also, which I like to bring upon. The first thing that I noticed was that rigidity do not apply here while leading a volunteer organization. This is because the person has to be fluid as he has to take up multiple roles. He has to wear multiple hats because things differ in every meeting and there are new challenges in every meeting. The second thing is the difference between professional pursuit and leadership in role in volunteer is the way of communication. You are not communicated in a straight way. So if I talk about the professional environment, you are always connected through Skype or emails. But here in volunteer role, leadership role, you have limited time through which you have to communicate your message and make the best use of it. It is not so different from your career in the light of creativity. So you have to be creative. You have to imbibe creativity in your thinking process. You have to enable others. You have to motivate others to deliver and perform as per their career and journey goals. You have to keep them motivating. So for that, you need to show them the right path by doing things correctly yourself. So it is a saying, you are what you do. You are not what you say you do. It clearly suggests you need to walk your talk so that others feel comfortable in following you. They see a spark in you and therefore they get motivated to take different leadership roles. You have to be resourceful enough. So it is saying that it is not about the resources, but it is about being resourceful. So here, while serving in a treasurer role, I learned how to manage and keep finances, and that translates in my other areas of life as well. The very thing I liked about the Toastmaster Club is the feedback they gave. So there are different forums in which we get feedback through our speeches and through a general evaluation. So here we follow the CRC approach, that is commendation, recommendation, and commendation. Nobody says like, oh, you have done a horrendous job. The feedback that is given to us are in a very commending way so that one can reflect on his shortcoming and improve in other future speeches and the roles he takes. Now I like to share with you my experience as a VP PR. In my earlier speech, I talked about how each activity that a leadership role we take can be portrayed as a project management role. So there are 5 activities in a project management that you have to initiate, plan, execute, control, and close the project. Let me share you my experience as a VP PR. So here I initiated taking this activity. So we have a problem statement that there was only one platform, that is Instagram, where we were active. So we have to reach to maximum people, and thereby the ask was to activate on other platform like Facebook, Gmail, and YouTube also. Second was planning. So how we going to do this? So I activated the Gmail email account, which was inactive for very long time. After activating, the YouTube channel got activated. The YouTube was a perfect channel to upload the videos of good speeches that our club speakers perform. And it just motivated them to take up future speeches. Controlling. So we have to control whatever being uploaded in the social media platform. The controlling was done by analyzing the reach. So hashtagging the post through different keywords was the key in reaching out to maximum engagements. I also reached out to different clubs like teachers club, public speaking groups, and added them, which improved the reach that our clubs had performed now. Next was controlling. So while uploading any video in YouTube channel, I had to take consent from the speaker if I can upload it on the YouTube. So it is very necessary that the consent is there from the speaker before any video is being uploaded in YouTube. And then final step was to close. This year we have reached 8 out of 10 goals, and we are very much sure that we will be achieving our presidential distinguished club status by achieving 9 goals. That tells that we have closed very perfectly this time around. So I would like to say that the role of VP PR is also linked to any business and if you do in your real life, because then you know how to reach out to different platform and how to market your product well. So here the product was our own Pro Raters Toastmaster Club. The learning is very insightful and grateful for me. And I would say that I have been truly satisfied with this journey in Pro Raters Toastmaster Club. There has been difficulties faced, but it has been very enriching experience for me. And I'm looking forward to my future journey in the Toastmasters Club. Thank you. Over to you.